I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with this morning's Daily Dark Pool Whispers, Monday, May 3rd. Happy May, everybody. Yeah, we're going to start with the SPY because we always start with the SPY. It is really the most voluminous thing to trade. It's the S&P 500. You need to watch the SPY. I keep a chart on the bottom of my screen at all times of the SPY. We had a new, big, very big actually. Yeah, one of the biggest in quite a while actually. Dark pool level, 419.98. So pretty much that happened in this hanging man candle. These are all late prints on Friday, which is why we're only going to be bullish above that. Yeah, we're going to be bullish above 420, bear below 416.50 for the SPY. Let's head on over to the Russell. We got a new level on that as well. 2.6 million on Friday at 227.92, and that also happened on this candle right here the day before. Yep, so we're going to be bullish. We're going to be bullish above 227.50, and we're going to be bearish below 225.50 for the day trade. All right, let's head on over to the Qs. The Qs, we also had a decent level, 340.27. Yep, but we're going to be bullish above 339 for the day trade. We're kind of, sitting, let me just zoom in for you. Yeah, we're sitting in, we're kind of in between right here, the 15 EMA and the 4 and the 8. Not a good spot. Really need to break above that to the upside or break below that 15 EMA. So bear below 337, that's why I picked that level, and 339 for the upside. Yeah, we'll see which way the Qs want to go today. Let's go to the E-minis. Bullish above 4,200 and bear below 41.8250. Those NASDAQ futures, we're going to be bullish above 13,925. And same thing, bearish, kind of stuck in that same spot as the Qs. Bear below 13,825. Let's head on over to the oil pit and bring over those futures. All right, we are just underneath that pivot, person's pivot right now. We're going to be bullish above 63.87, heading there now, and bear below 63.25 for the oil futures. Let's check out the gold futures. Bullish above 1782.50, bear below 1772.50 for those gold futures. And last but not least, the Bitcoin futures. Oh, give me a second. Yeah, those are up pretty nicely this morning, up 3%. We do have a Camarilla just above our head here, bullish above 59,500, which is why I am bullish above that Camarilla right there. And bear below 58,600, so below this R1 dotted line person's pivots. And yeah, let me just kind of zoom in so kind of show you. So yeah, bullish above here and bearish below there. This is a no trading zone. We've been, kind of fumbling up and down this morning, so we'll see which way the Bitcoin futures want to go. Let's go to the individual stocks. Apple. Yeah, do not take your eye off Apple. We had the most enormous prints there, 10 million at 131.79. Another 3 million at 133.20. So I wanted to be bullish above all those prints, bearish below. So bullish above 133.50. There's quite a lot of traffic, in this area. Let me just kind of zoom in there for you. Sorry about that, right here. Yeah, so there's a lot of traffic right here. So that's why I went up a little bit higher. And this is really for the swing trade as well. It's a great swing setup. If you close weak below 131.50, yeah, there's a lot of room to the downside. So I'm definitely got my eye on the Apple. Let's go to NIO. They already reported earnings last week. And we're going to be bullish above 40.20. No, we just went above that just now. Bear below 39.49 for NEO. Yeah, there's some nice room. We've already tested the 50 simple moving average a couple times. Yeah, quite a few times. So let's see if it can break above. You know, if it can do that, yeah. Okay, if it can do that, there's a much bigger swing trade right here. Yep, but you can see we tested it. Yeah, we've been all over there. But let's see if we had a lot of volume on Friday. So we'll see. Could be a good one. Let's go to Twitter. Yeah, which not doing so well. Is that an inverted hammer? On Friday, high volume possibly. So watching this one carefully as well. Bullish above 56. Bear below 55.40. We could go much lower on Twitter. Let's see if the institutions want to sell today. They like to do that the second day after earnings. Let's go to Riot. So I had a question in the training pit. You know, why didn't I pick Mara? Well, I looked up Mara, and there was a lot of traffic on the charts with the pivots and the moving averages. Riot seemed to be in a better position with especially the pivots. So I try my best to give you the highest probability trade setups. Bullish above 44 on Riot. We've tested that already. And bearish below 43 for a retracement trade. Silver, this is more of a swing trade. Every time I say that, it goes. So let's see if it'll work again. But bullish above 24.40. Bear below 24 for silver. Let's head on over to American Airlines, which had a big print at 21.90. We are testing that area this morning. Is it going to stay above it or not? We're going to be bullish above 22.06. A little interference at 22.16. There's a Camarilla there. But bear below 21.50. And Pfizer. So I'm not a big fan of drugs. Don't like to trade them, don't like to take them. But this has earnings tomorrow before the open. Okay, that's BMO, before market opens. We had a 6.5 million print. This thing could have really good pre-earnings momentum. All right, but please do not hold this into earnings. This is strictly a day trade, okay? Bullish above 39.20. Bear below 38.40. Anytime you take or trade drugs, you are at a high risk of something bad happening. You could get halted. So I always like to warn you, we do trade options. Pfizer has good options, you know, which definitely is a much safer way. You can control your risk there as well. So there you have it. Those are your whispers for Monday, May 3rd. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.